Ooh. What is up, guys? We are back and we are working on the Apache again today. So hopefully this episode will be getting there actually running. Alright, so yep. Have a nice braided line for us. Should look pretty good. And this is going to be a new lower radiator hose, so obviously it doesn't have this many bends. But I have done a trick. Let's see. The wind's getting inside. Oh, please. Oh, I just banged my fucking hand back in here. Shit, that's too close. So now we'll have gauge, and then we'll have fuel, the filter, and then we'll go straight to the carb. We'll put it right there. My trusty AN line cutter. We should now. Alrighty, guys, we're going on a little venture. We'll go get some gas. Go get some under one. Also fill up the vet at the same time. Oh, damn. A lot of things did not go right there. I just don't understand why it's just blowing right through just like that. It didn't even take even a second for all the bowls to fill up. Are the bowls even filled up? Oh no! Alrighty, guys, so took out the carburetor. I didn't want to have to do this, but probably gonna have to rebuild the carb. It is what it is. I think one of the needles are stuck. That's why it's overflowing, because it's not overflowing on both sides. It's only overflowing on one. So we're probably just gonna check out that one side and hope it's just something that's gunked up. So yeah. It has to be the carburetor. There's no other way. Something has to be stuck. Because there's supposed to be a needle right there that's not there. There's no needle at all in this. This is one side. This is the side that was working. See how there's this needle? Right? The whole piece. This bitch don't even got one. First time rebuilding a whole carburetor, by the way. Didn't even watch a tutorial. Because I don't need that shit, right? Like, alrighty. It's time. It's time now. There it is! Ah, I leaned it out. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Alright. Well, it starts. It starts now, so it's pretty good. I guess I lucked out. eBay carb looks pretty dang good.